Hey guys, I just wanted to talk real quick about our post 5 common keto mistakes. First of all, when we start a new eating plan, we're trying to get healthier, right? And we're not trying to feel bad. Sadly, on the keto diet, too many people go through that keto flu stage. I don't know if there's any way to really completely avoid that, but you can get through it a little more comfortably. And you can reap the benefits of the keto diet if you avoid these 5 mistakes. First of all, let's start with dairy products. A lot of times people go real heavy on the dairy when they start a keto diet. That can be very inflammatory, especially for people who are sensitive to it, like myself. If you are, then you're going to want to substitute in almond milk, coconut cream, things like that into those really awesome recipes that are out there. And the next thing is to make sure you're drinking enough water. A lot of times we're not hydrated enough anyway, no matter what plan you're on. And on the keto diet, you're going to be peeing more often because your body's trying to get rid of the excess sugars. That's not necessarily a bad thing, but you got to make sure you're making up for it. And along those same lines, you need to make sure that your electrolytes are balanced. So you can check with your doctor on a supplement maybe, or you can also add in foods that are high in magnesium, potassium, calcium, some of those important electrolytes, and salt as well. Make sure you haven't given up all your salty foods. Let's see, next thing is protein. We can calculate about how much protein we should have in a day, and you're going to want to try to stick to that best you can. The reason being is that if you have too much protein, then your blood sugar is going to go up, and it's going to kind of mess up your ketosis and your weight loss goals, which you don't want. And also it's hard on your kidneys to be eating a lot of extra protein. So a lot of times when we start a keto diet, we tend to fill in the calories that we were getting from carbs with too much protein. What we want to do is use healthy fats and get that nice high percentage of fats that the keto diet asks for. So we're talking less of the bacon grease type fat, obviously, and more of the salmon, avocado, some nuts, I guess you could also have too, and extra virgin olive oil, those kinds of things. And that about wraps it up. So I hope you guys do well on your diet. Comment below, hit subscribe, and you can read the full article, which I've linked below. Have a great day.